President Donald Trump says he told Georgia Governor Brian Kemp he strongly disagrees with the state's decision to start reopening businesses like hair salons and gyms this week.
You know what? Maybe you wait a little bit longer till you get into a phase 2.
But Kemp says he'll go ahead with the reopening. He announced Monday that fitness centers, bowling alleys, barbershops, nail salons, and more would be allowed to open for business on Friday. It's the most aggressive reopening plan of any U.S. state. Reopened businesses will be required to step up sanitation, screen employees for fever or respiratory issues, and stagger shifts in workspaces to help maintain social distancing. Kemp said these businesses will be allowed to reopen because they weren't able to perform baseline operations like payroll. The decision has left many business owners confused about how to reopen while protecting themselves and their customers from COVID-19. For Newsy, I'm Caitlin Baldwin.